How to cancel order in DoorDash. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application DoorDash and make sure you are logged into your specific account. You will be landing on this homepage. Once you are in here, head over to orders at the bottom. Well, you can see the schedule for the order that you have made. Tap on view order. In this section, you'll get to see all of the orders that you have made on DoorDash. If you want to cancel it, what you want to do is tap on help at the top right corner. Here it says, what do you need help with? Tap on cancel order. You need to state the reason on why you want to cancel your order. From here, you can select any of the suitable reason and then tap on continue. There you go, the order that you have made before has been cancelled successfully. Likewise, you can cancel any of the order that you want to, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to cancel order in DoorDash. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.